Welcome back to Boosted.Tech. Today we're fixing one of the biggest slowdowns in Windows 11.25 H2, and most people don't even realize what's causing it. If File Explorer feels laggy when you open big folders, if thumbnails load slowly, or if scrolling and navigation just feels heavy, it's not your hardware. Even systems with fast SSDs and strong CPUs run into this. The slowdown is built into how Windows handles folders, and we're going to fix it with one simple tweak. Quick credit to Enderman on X, also known as Twitter. He originally shared the idea behind this, so shout out to him for pointing the direction. So here's what's actually happening. Every time you open a folder, Windows tries to guess what type of folder it is. If it sees pictures, it switches to a picture layout. If it sees music, it switches to a music layout. If it sees documents, it applies a general layout. And to figure that out, Windows scans the folder contents in the background. The problem is that in folders with lots of files, especially images or videos, this scanning takes extra time. That's the lag. File Explorer is basically analyzing before showing you anything, which makes everything slow, even on good hardware.
The fix is simple. We tell Windows to stop guessing. Instead of trying to detect folder types, we make Windows treat every folder as a standard folder. Once we do that, File Explorer no longer wastes time scanning folders before opening them. And the difference is immediate. Folders open faster, navigation is smoother, thumbnails appear faster, and Explorer stops stuttering when moving between big directories. All you have to do is open PowerShell as administrator, and paste the command that I've placed in the description of this video. That's it. Run it once, close File Explorer, reopen it, and you're done. No restart needed. The change is instant. Now let's talk about the trade-offs, because there are a few small things to understand. Since we're disabling the automatic folder type detection, Windows will no longer auto-switch layouts based on what's inside the folder. So if you open a folder full of photos, it won't automatically switch to a big thumbnail grid. If you open a music folder, it won't automatically switch to the music details view. Everything just opens in a standard layout by default, but you can still manually change any folder layout you want. You're not losing customization. You're just removing the automatic switching that slows the system down. Another small thing is that searching inside very large folders can take slightly longer in some cases. Not everywhere, not all the time, just when searching inside certain huge folders, because they're now treated as simple data folders. But if you usually search from the start menu, or search bar anyway, you won't notice anything. And one more small note. The very first time you open a giant folder full of images, thumbnail loading may look about the same speed as before. The improvement comes when you go back to that folder again. Without the folder type detection, Explorer no longer reanalyzes every time, which is why navigating becomes much faster overall. Other than those minor things, there's no downside. You're not breaking anything, you're not removing features, and this is fully reversible if you ever want to undo it. It's just telling Windows to stop thinking too hard, and just open the folder already. If this tweak makes your Windows feel faster, subscribe to Boosted.Tech for more fixes that actually change how your system performs instead of just talking about numbers and benchmarks. And once again, credit to Enderman on X.com for the original spark behind this optimization. Thanks for watching.